been a long 48 hours. So, check this out. I dropped my phone. No crack. It just looked like this. It's useless. Can't do nothing with it. Long story short, I ordered a new phone, and you wouldn't believe the hell I went through to get the phone. But that's a whole nother video. I'll make another video about that. I want to make sure that I share the unboxing. And look, I was just looking at this on my laptop when it pulled up. Open either side of the wall. Dun dun dun.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Anyways, I'm out. I'm about to play with this phone. Okay. About to run to Best Buy real quick to pick up a case for my new iPhone. However, my son is at the park playing basketball. About to go check on him first. I'm here back in the day, when I was his age, I'd be all over. My mom wouldn't have to worry. Times wasn't as crazy as they are now. Nowadays I feel bad because let me see. Let's see. See you. See if it fits up. That thing looks big. Pause. But oh my God, my son almost ran over my son.
Where are you going?
You want to come with me?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Best Buy real quick, but your mom's about to go to the gym, so you might as well come with me.
I'm
Huh?
gonna stay.
You gonna stay?
Yeah.
Your mom's going to the gym.
Christian.
Crunch.
Can you tell me to stay also?
No. But
Huh?
I mean, it's gonna be on you. You might have to end up going to the gym then. I'm coming right back though. No.
Is it okay to still be at the park?
Is that who's at the park?
Mateo and Maverick and some people
What was you doing coming back home for?
giving the key card.
All right.
Bye, Dad.
Yeah, your phone is on the counter in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Somebody asked why am I not using full self-drive? Because I don't keep full self-drive all the time. That's why. I heard you ask. I don't need to buy it. I buy it every so often. I don't even know if that's going to be an option anymore. I think they're trying to make it where you have to I don't know. I really ain't been keeping up with it. All I do know is, and people, if you have a Tesla, you feel free to chime in the chats. But these new updates have been horrible, and I mean horrible. I've had tech issues with this car I ain't never had before. I've had to keep restarting my car, like shutting down my car, shutting down this screen to put in to get my key, my walkaway key lock to work. So, you know, typically with a Tesla, you don't have to lock your car, you just get out and go. Well, with this after this new update, I've been having a bug that's been, sometimes it will lock, sometimes it won't. So I actually got a service appointment for this coming Monday at the Tesla dealership downtown Oklahoma City, strictly to deal with, from time to time, after that update, now my car will act like I don't have my seatbelt on, which I do. It'll make that little annoying noise nobody wants to hear. And I just recently found out in the navigation, it was an updated navigation to where it is already checked. So they automatically mark your car to do it. But if your car, if you're driving, say I'm driving right now, and they just randomly see that address, they will ask me on that screen, do you want to set this to be your home address? I X out, no. Do you want to set this address to be your work address? No. And it would do it so much. It was so annoying. So I just went in the navigation, went into control, then navigation, and then unclick that box to get that to stop. But I'm not happy with having to keep doing resets on my car to get my walkaway key to work. That's not it. But I'm not going to complain about that. I'm happy that I finally got my phone. Well, I didn't have a phone for 24 hours, but that was a very long 24 hours. Like as you can see, I'm a very techie type person. Apple products, Meta products, electric cars, everything that techie I try to indulge in. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, not having my phone, especially how it happened though. Like my phone was on my couch. It fell less than, I don't know how far. That was not far at all. And nothing cracked. My screen just did that. And I've been disgusted. I was so disgusted with it. Man, I ordered some pickup. Every time I come here, I be trying to avoid going in the store because I know this just seems lazy, but I just don't want to go in there because I go in there. If I go in there, I'm not gonna leave with just one item. And I have a lot of discipline, but like I said, I thought I could have swore I pressed curbside. Because I don't see the email as my as my friend Brandon Bustle would say, the email thing. Just playing with you, Brandon. I love you, bro. You my guy. Just a little inside joke me and him have. He said I sound weak doing some stuff. I said he sound weak. That's it. Man, I've never done this. You can tell I was ready to get this phone because I've never done this. I'm gonna have to go inside.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay. Operation go in without doing anything else. I'll be back. I'm not gonna record going in there. Okay, I am recording. And the only reason I'm recording now is because this is just an example of what I was talking about. When you exit your vehicle, I have my car set to when I exit my vehicle, it's supposed to automatically lock when I walk away. It's not doing that. And I'm tired of resetting it. Look, I'm having to hit this lock button. Hey, anybody else, like I said, anybody else who has a Tesla, let me know if y'all are dealing with that since the new update. It's annoying. I can't wait for my service appointment. So I'm about to show you what I do every time since this update. You see these two buttons, this button and this button, the scroll wheel. Press that in. To reset the car. See how my screen went off? First time. Okay, so it's back on. Let's see if that did anything, which I'm pretty sure it probably didn't. Controls, locks, walk away. It's on. So let's see if it works. Oh, that shit is annoying. Yeah, that sucks. I ain't gonna lie to you. I promise you. I promise you, I'm not gonna lie. All these bugs that happened after that last update is just crazy. This is February 24th. Never, like I said, I've never had an issue with any updates. Now it's just like taking stuff off. It's crazy. But oh well. I'm not gonna complain. I'm thankful for everything. Thankful for all my blessings. Thankful I finally got. I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and see if Aura will be helpful in fixing this issue. I tried it before, it didn't help, but I want you guys to see it. So these cars now have their own AI bot. The name is Aura. Hey Aura, how are you doing?
Doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm okay, but I'm still having the same issue as far as the walkaway lock not working. I have it. I went to controls. I went to locks, and I made sure that it was active. And it still is not working. I even did the reset with the pushing the 2 buttons on the steering wheel. I've done that as well. Do you have any other suggestions?
Sounds frustrating. Common reasons it fails are if your phone's Bluetooth is off, a door or trunk isn't fully closed, or you're at your saved home location where it's excluded. Also, try exiting from the driver's door with your phone key and no fobs inside. If it's been idle, shake your key fob to re-enable passive entry. If that doesn't fix it, check for software updates or schedule service through the app.
Yeah, I already got a service appointment set for Monday. I was just trying to see. I had fixed it before by hitting those 2 buttons, but my key fob is not even with me. My key fob is actually at my house, and I'm some miles away from my house.
Got it. Good call on the service appointment. Since your key fob's at home and you're miles away, double check that no doors or trunks are ajar, Bluetooth is on strong, and you're not at a saved home spot. Otherwise, just manually lock via the app or touchscreen till Monday.
Is it when you say make sure that the doors and stuff are locked, wouldn't it be alert on my car that it wasn't open?
Yeah, it should alert you if a door or trunk isn't fully closed or latched, like with a warning on the screen or chime. But sometimes sensors glitch, so give the handles a firm tug and check the app's status to be sure everything's shut tight.
Passenger door.
Check the passenger door specifically.
Back
Pull the
seat.
handle to ensure it's fully latched and locked, as a slight ajar can disable walkaway. The screen should show if it's open. If not, try closing it firmly and test again.
Okay, I just closed every one of my doors, all 4 of them. I'm gonna try it again, okay?
Sounds good. Go ahead and test it now. Let me know how it goes.
All right, I'll be right back. Yep, still didn't work. One issue at a time, tackling one issue at a time, you know. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a positive, productive day. Like I said, I'm very thankful that my phone came in. I went 24 hours without a phone at all, and it was daunting. But anyways, I did the purpose of this video was strictly the unboxing. I kind of went down a rabbit hole with this tech stuff because this car, these bugs with my car. But like I said, I'm thankful that my new phone has come in. I'm thankful that the case name is Ghost. I'm gonna call it James St. Patrick. But yeah, thanks for joining. Talk to you guys later.